Want to make an extra $1,000 a month? These side hustles are for you. Welcome back to the channel. Whether you're tackling debt, saving for a dream house, or just need extra cash, we've got you covered. Today, we're diving into side hustles that can realistically put an extra $1,000 or more in your pocket every month. From flexible options to ones you can do in your pajamas, we've got it all. Stick around as we break down the top side hustles to supercharge your income. Let's get started. The power of words is truly remarkable. They can inform, persuade, entertain, and even inspire change. Freelance writing from beginner to $1,000 a month is a journey that many embark on. And with the right approach, you can achieve it too. Let's kick things off with freelance writing. It's a versatile and rewarding career path that offers flexibility and the potential for significant income. You don't need to be Shakespeare to succeed. In fact, the most successful freelance writers are those who can communicate clearly and effectively. Freelance writing is about using your words to help businesses connect with their audience. This can include a variety of content types. Think blog posts, website content, articles, and social media captions. Each type of content serves a different purpose and requires a unique approach. The beauty of freelance writing is the low barrier to entry. You don't need a degree in English or journalism to get started. You need a solid grasp of grammar and the ability to write clearly and engagingly. These are fundamental skills that you can develop over time. These are skills you can learn and improve over time. There are countless resources available, from online courses to writing workshops. Where do you find gigs? Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and ProBlogger are great places to start. These platforms connect freelancers with clients looking for writing services. You can also reach out to local businesses and offer your services. Many small businesses need help with their content, but don't have the resources to hire a full-time writer. Build a portfolio by taking on smaller, lower-paying gigs initially. This will help you gain experience and build a body of work that you can show to potential clients. As you gain experience and positive reviews, you can charge more. Clients are willing to pay a premium for writers who have a proven track record of delivering quality work. Don't be afraid to niche down. Specializing in a particular industry or type of content can make you more valuable to clients and allow you to charge higher rates. Consistency is key. Set aside dedicated time each week to work on your writing. Treat it like a real job, even if it's just a side hustle for now. Treat it like a real job, even if it's just a side hustle for now. This mindset will help you stay disciplined and motivated. Freelance writers can earn anywhere from a few cents to several dollars per word. The rate you can charge depends on your experience, the complexity of the project, and the client's budget. As a beginner, you might start at 5 to 10 cents per word. This might not seem like much, but it adds up quickly. With experience, you can charge 25, 50 cents or more per word. High-quality, specialized content can command even higher rates. Quick math, a 500-word blog post at 15 cents per word is $75. Write 14 blog posts a month at that rate and you've hit $1,000. Write 14 blog posts a month at that rate and you've hit $1,000. It's all about consistency and finding the right clients. As you grow your skills and client base, your earning potential can skyrocket. The more you write, the better you become, and the more you can charge. If you enjoy writing and are willing to put in the work, freelance writing could be your ticket to an extra $1,000 a month or more. The possibilities are endless. Sharing is earning. Cash in with online tutoring. Next up, online tutoring, a rewarding and potentially lucrative side hustle. If you can explain things well and have a passion for a subject, this is for you. Online tutoring platforms have exploded in popularity, connecting you with students of all ages. You can set your own hours, work from anywhere, and choose the subjects you teach. Popular platforms include VIP Kid, Chegg Tutors, TutorMe, and Schooly. Each platform has its own requirements and pay structure, so do your research. Online tutors typically charge $15 to $50 per hour or more. Let's say you charge $25 per hour and tutor for 10 hours a week. That's $250 a week, translating to $1,000 a month. Online tutoring isn't just about the money, it's about making a difference. Helping a student grasp a difficult concept or ace an exam is priceless. If you're looking for a side hustle that's both financially rewarding and fulfilling, online tutoring might be perfect for you. The flexibility and impact you can make are unmatched. So if you have the skills and passion, give online tutoring a try. Preparing lesson plans and organizing teaching materials can be done at your own pace, making it easier to balance with other commitments. Positive feedback from students can be incredibly motivating and affirming, showing the tangible impact of your efforts. Many platforms offer training and resources to help you improve your skills and become a more effective tutor. Additionally, you can network with other tutors and join online communities to share tips and experiences. The flexibility of online tutoring allows you to achieve a better work-life balance, making it an ideal option for many. Celebrate your successes and enjoy the sense of accomplishment that comes with helping others learn and grow. Explore new teaching methods and innovate in your approach to keep your sessions engaging and effective. Remember, as an online tutor, you're not just teaching, you're making a lasting impact on your students' lives. Enjoy the journey and find fulfillment in the process of teaching and learning together with your students. Let's talk about a side hustle that's taken the entrepreneurial world by storm: dropshipping. This business model has revolutionized the way people think about starting an online store, making it accessible to virtually anyone with an internet connection and a bit of entrepreneurial spirit. You don't need space or money for inventory. That's the beauty of dropshipping. Traditional retail models require significant upfront investment in stock, but with dropshipping, you can start with minimal capital. Set up an online store, list products from a supplier, and they handle the rest. This means you don't have to worry about warehousing, packaging, or shipping products. Your main task is to create an appealing online storefront and drive traffic to it. Focus on marketing, customer service, and watching profits roll in. Effective marketing strategies can include social media advertising, search engine optimization, and email marketing. Providing excellent customer service will help you build a loyal customer base. Dropshipping has a lower profit margin but no inventory management or shipping logistics. This trade-off allows you to focus on scaling your business and optimizing your sales funnel. It's a low-risk, high-reward business model. Because you don't have to invest heavily in inventory, your financial risk is significantly reduced. This makes it an attractive option for new entrepreneurs. Find a niche you're passionate about or see a demand for. Researching and selecting the right niche is crucial for your success. Look for products that have a steady demand but aren't oversaturated in the market. Build a strong brand, create compelling product descriptions, and market to your audience. Your brand identity and product descriptions should resonate with your target audience and differentiate you from competitors. Making an extra $1,000 a month is achievable. With the right strategies and consistent effort, you can turn your dropshipping store into a reliable source of income. Sell products with a 20% profit margin and make 50 sales per month at an average order value of $40. This simple formula can help you reach your financial goals. That's $4,000 in revenue and $800 in profit. By carefully managing your expenses and optimizing your sales process, you can maximize your earnings. Increase sales to 63 per month, and you've hit $1,000. Scaling your business involves increasing your sales volume and improving your profit margins. Dropshipping is all about scaling. As you grow, you can expand your product range, enter new markets, and increase your marketing efforts. As you optimize your store and build a loyal customer base, your earning potential grows. Positive customer reviews and repeat business are key indicators of your store's success. If you're ready to dive into e-commerce without the hassle of inventory, dropshipping is for you. It's a flexible and scalable business model that can adapt to your lifestyle and financial goals. Let's shift gears to a side hustle about flexibility and being your own boss: ride-sharing. Platforms like Uber and Lyft have revolutionized transportation. Choose your own hours, work as much or as little as you want, and be your own boss. Ride-sharing income varies by location, time, and surge pricing. On average, drivers earn $15 to $30 per hour or more, drive for 20 hours a week at $20 per hour, and that's $400 a week. That's $1,600 a month. Maximize income by driving during peak hours like rush hour and weekends. Sign up for multiple platforms to increase ride requests. Consider expenses like gas, tolls, and maintenance, but many are tax deductible. If you enjoy driving and value flexibility, ride-sharing can put serious cash in your pocket. It's a great way to earn extra money on your terms. Let's wrap up with a side hustle for social media enthusiasts: social media management. Not everyone has the time or skills to manage their social media effectively. That's where you come in. The social media guru. Businesses need a strong online presence but often lack the resources. Offer your services as a freelance social media manager. Responsibilities include creating content, scheduling posts, interacting with followers, running ads, and tracking analytics. It's a low-cost, high-profit potential side hustle. You need a laptop, smartphone, and a solid understanding of social media. Freelance social media managers charge $15 to $50 per hour or more. Offer monthly retainers for a predictable income stream. Land 2 clients at $500 each, and that's $1,000 a month. Stay up to date on trends and algorithm changes to succeed. If you're a social media whiz, enjoy creating content, and want to earn serious cash, this is for you. Flex your creative muscles and start managing social media accounts today. And there you have it. 5 side hustles to help you make an extra $1,000 or more every month. The best side hustle aligns with your skills, interests, and lifestyle. Ready to take control of your finances? It's time to get serious about side hustling. Opportunities are out there. Seize them. Check the description box for resources, links, and more videos to help you crush your financial goals. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe for more tips on making money, building wealth, and living your best financial life. Thanks for watching.